Hey guys, so I went and got my kids, and we ended up going to this uh, pet store called Lanish. It's close to my mother's place, and well, we ended up getting some more friends. So this guy looked super great in the tank. He's a little stressed out right now. His fins, his fins are like amazing. They really stuck out. They had um, some really nice lights here, and then we got this butterfly koi, and he sees the water. He doesn't even want to face us. Very shimmery too. Such a beautiful fish. Anyways, and then we got this lotus. So the young guy there, I was showing him the pond. Actually, Minion we have in here, who's our gold guy, was from there. He remembered him. Anyways, he got us these for they're $8 a piece, and apparently these lotuses are hardy lotuses. So yeah, so we're gonna acclimatize our two pals here. 50% off. This is like my favorite time of the year because all the koi and pond fish are all like marked down, and I am a sucker for marked down koi. So we're just gonna put them right here, like what I did yesterday. Oh, look, you can see them right there. Oh, look how pretty. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh man, these things are gonna be amazing. So beautiful. Ah, yeah. So we're gonna leave them in there for 60 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna release them. But first, let's give them a feed. It's still a little cloudy. I think it's just gonna be the deal there. Here you go, fishies. Let's call some of the others over. Oh, it's so nice right now. Look at them. Oh yeah, there's Minion there, the yellow guy. Yeah, we got him there. He was a hell of a deal. Oh my god, how pretty these are. Yeah, so amazing. Love my fish. Love my pond. All right, we'll see you in 60 minutes. 1 hour later. All right, it has been 60 minutes. Ah. See, I think I just need to put another log at this waterfall. It's just like rocking it. All right, here we go. Oh, they're jumping. They're ready to go. Okay, there you are. You're ready for home. You're forever home. All right. Okay. We're gonna bring him here. Oh, look at that pond. All right. Okay, you can release them. Go cut. Cut. My son's helping me. Okay, so cut it. Okay. I should have just cut it all the way, bud. All right. Okay, go closer to the water. No, okay, you want to do it that way? All right. There he goes. Get closer to the water. Oh my god. There we go. There's one. Now get closer to the water now. Closer to the water, Zach. All right. All right, pay attention. All right, let's go. Come on, bud. All right. There we go.
That was nice.
Oh, yeah. What not? Water here. Okay. All right. There we go. Put the water over there. Awesome. Yeah. I'm really excited for this guy. Oh, there's the other little guy. So, there they are. Oh, here comes a big guy coming to scope them out. So I think I'm gonna go back into the pond and I'm gonna clean it out some more. So, yeah. My son wanted to help. Of course, he goes too close. Anyways, it's all good. Good intentions. Good intentions. So I put the lotus right there. And yeah, we got, I don't know if it's like, I don't know if it's too cold for these guys. I gotta look them up just to see whether or not I should be bringing them in soon. And when I say them, the tropical lilies. Yeah, let's see how the little guys are doing here. Oh, there's the one still. Kind of like, what the heck, man? It'll take them a bit of time. So little. So little. That's all right. We're gonna love it. Yeah. So I think we're gonna end it there. I'm gonna try and catch some of these goldfish. My ongoing battle, as well as stirring up the bottom a bit too, and trying to get some of this water out. So, oh, you know what? Let's give these guys some food. Here, let's see. These guys are over there. All right. Look at that. So nice. Wonder if we see any of the other little guys. I don't see any of them right yet. All right, folks. Have a fantastic day.